So we are here with Tracy, and she just completed the Workforce Development and Career Readiness Workshop. And Tracy, if you could just tell us maybe a takeaway or what was your favorite part of today?
Watching the kids learn about their emotions and learning how to deal with interviews, how to judge themselves before they are judged by the employer, and how to respond appropriately when they are giving words like your weakness.
You know who made it.
So we are here with the beautiful Raja. What did you take away from today, or what was your favorite part?
So my favorite part was talking about the interview and how to go about it. Because a few days ago, I was just talking to my friends about how I've never worked a real job before. I've been an entrepreneur since I was 16 and I'm 19 now. So I've never worked a real job before. So just learning how to go about that whole process was just, it was like right on time for me because I was literally just